Okay, to this session we will be discussing on decision control structures. Or there are different names. We can call it as control statements. Okay, decision making statements or control statements. Both are same. Why we need this decision making statements? Yeah, we want to. This is something called decision making flowchart. In this flowchart, if the expression is true, it will uh, it will go to the statement state. If the condition is false, it will skip. So that to write a program properly, we need decision making statements. Okay, in the decision making statements, there are these are all if else, nested if, else if, go to, switch, conditional operator. All these are called decision making statements. That means conditional statements in C. These are only the conditional statements. Let's see some examples of each one of them. Let's see if statement. All these are common. Let's write new program. In this place, I am reading int a. This is declaration section. This is preprocessor section, and then main function. Program execution always starts with main function. Declaration that variable I have declared, or a or num, whatever it may be, you can put, and then enter number. I am doing the program to print the given number is even or odd. Okay, using if statement, I am trying to run a program, and by entering number, and then scanf will read data from console, and then into num. This number, I am reading the value of number, I am keeping into num. This variable, okay, integer variable, and then if statement, simple if statement, if num percent %L2 equal to 0. Printf slash a new line, and then even number. If number equal num percentile to equal to 1 means odd number. Instead of even, you can keep odd. Then save. Just even odd. You can make it dot .c. Always we need to change the create a file extension called dot .c. All C files. Execute, compile. The status is done. Then execute, run. See, enter number 44, even number. Then execute, run. Enter number 45, odd number. This is simple if statement. Then let's go to the if else. If statement is done with a simple example. Let's try to if else statement. I'll try running the same using the same even odd program. I am writing the if else. Just to do else. In this situation, in this if else statement, this condition is true. If num percentile 2 equal to 0, it will print this this line will execute. Else if the this statement is false, this will execute. The simple difference. If the this statement true, it will run. This will run. If this statement is false, else is else statement, it will run. Let's do execute, compile and run. Yeah, enter number. Then it num under num I am reading some value 45. See 45 is odd number. That's why it is printed odd number. Execute, run. We have done already compile. I am just testing this code whether it's working. You need not do compile and run twice, thrice. You just do run. Enter number 44. See, it is even number. This is all about the simple if and if else. Let's see nested if. Nested if means if you write if inside if, call nested if. Let's see marks. Marks. Okay, I want to validate the marks. Something like this. If marks greater than 90, it should be grade. If marks between 60 to 90, B grade. Something like that. Let's see. Let's write in. Okay. Before going to nested if, I want to check something here. If what I did, I am just removing these brackets. Okay, this will also work when if the statement after the if statement, it should have only single line. For that single line, you need not put brackets. For if the after in the if statement there are more than one line, then you need to mention these brackets, closing opening and closing brackets. Okay. Let's run this one also. This will also work. As soon as you change the any line of code, then you need to do compile. If there is no code change means you can just do run. Okay. After compile, only one time compile is required. Enter number 45. Yeah, see hard. Execute, run. Even number. That's it. Let's go to nested if. If you write if condition inside if, again one more if. Enter marks. Instead of this number, I am putting enter marks. Okay, if the marks greater than 35, if the marks greater than 35, then inside that I am writing one more if statement. If the marks greater than or equal to 90, will have A grade. If the marks greater than or equal to and um, marks less than or less than 90, B grade. Then next one, if the marks greater than or equal to 35, less than 60, C grade. And then else fail. Save this one. Yeah, if you write in if inside if, called nested if. If you write for inside for, nested for. If you write while inside while, nested while. Okay, nested is same for all the statements. Nested is same for all the statements. Then let's see if the number greater than something like this. Okay. For single line inside if no need not put brackets. Both will work. Okay. In this if there are multiple statements. That's why you need to put open close brackets. In this if there is only single line. That's why the open close brackets is not required. It will work anyhow. Let's save. Let's check test once. Then 55 C grade. Execute run. 99 A grade. Execute run 0 fail. Okay, let's see. We did nested if. We did the same thing in nested if. Let's try in the something like if else. How to modify this code using another statement, the conditional statement using if else. This if else. Let's see if the marks greater than something like this. If the marks greater than 90, print A grade. Then put else if, then put else if, then put else. In this case, if the marks not num, it will be marks. You can do replace. You can put A or KS something. You can put. You need to change all the locations. As you wish. You can put any name. Okay. This marks is this you can keep anything. Save. Enter marks. If the marks greater than 90, it will print this. Else if marks between 60 to 90, it will brigade. Else if marks between 35 to 60, it will print C grade. If all conditions are not satisfied, it will print this fail. Let's execute run this, compile and run. Then marks 56 C grade. Execute run. Then 55 C grade. Execute compile and run. Yeah, 12 fail. That means all conditions are not failed. Then it will print else statement. Let's do the same using or else we'll try another program. Till now we have covered if else, nested if, else if. All these four if statements are completed. Let's go to and then conditional operator. Go to switch. In the switch statement, we'll try something like first we'll go to. This is the label. Go to label. Now entering the marks. Let's see how go to works. I am just showing you. Mm, yeah, this is go to B. As soon as if the marks greater than 18, again it will ask for enter na enter age. Instead of marks na, you can go to enter age. If my age greater than 18, then eligible for voting. Eligible for voting. If the age less than 18, not eligible. Let's see small program to understand this go to not eligible. Okay. Whenever you when suppose enter age, if I enter 18, 18 or 20, then it will go to if statement. It will execute eligible and then go to B. Go to B means again it will go to this label. This is the label. If you put B colon, it is the label. Again this label, again this, again it will ask enter age, something like that. Okay, if age is 19, again it will go. This statement is true. Again printf eligible. Again go to B. Again it will go there. Enter age. Again it will ask age. If I press enter something like less than 18, 9. If I enter 9, this statement false. It will go to else statement. Not eligible. It will close the program. As soon as if you enter less than 18 only, it will close the program. Let's run this. Execute. Compile and run. Why this? Oh, okay. You see something in the under if there are two statements. That's why you need to put open close brackets. Then only it works. Execute. Save. You need to do save first. Execute. Compile and run. Enter age. If I enter something 56, eligible. Enter age 1. Not eligible. It is closing. Let's do slash and everywhere so that save. Execute. Compile and run. Enter age. In the age 45, eligible. Then 23, eligible. 56, eligible. 12, not eligible. And then closing the program. As soon as if you enter less than 18, there is no go to statement in the else statements. That's why it is closing the program. Okay, go to statements, it will always go there. It will always go there. It will work as a loop. Okay, go to statement in the real time we may not use. Go to statements we will not use. Okay, next important one is switch statement. Switch statement is very important. Um, People extensively use switch statement. Okay, this is the small switch statement. Let's do printf. Enter a number between 1 to 5. Then reading. If I enter 1, switch A. In the inside switch A, the A value is 1. The corresponding case will get execute. If the A value is 1, then this case will execute. You will get this output. Slash and let's do slash in all the places. Let's do more. Okay, in that. uh, Please enter a number between 1 to 5. Scan a percent LD address of A. Case 1. If a user entered 1, then you choose 1. This will print. If user enter 2, then a value is 2, then case 2 will get execute. Same kind of thing. If user enter 4, that a value is 4, and then case 4 will get execute, and then it will print this one, and then user executes something else 1 to 5, then default case will get execute. Default case will get execute. There are no other cases now. That's why default case will get execute. Let's run this. Execute, compile and run. Let's number 5. You choose 5. Yeah. This you see. This is you choose 5. This got executed. Otherwise, entire run. If I enter 78, 89, invalid choice. Enter a number between 1 to 5. That's it. If you choose execute, compile, run, 3. You choose 3. This statement executed. You choose 3. So you choose 3. Let's do some more switch statement. Some other example. Please enter choice between 1 to 5. Okay. I want to write something. Some other, some advanced switch statement. This okay. Please one for add addition. Addition of two numbers. 2, 3, 4. Subtraction. Addition, subtraction, multiplication. Number one is division. Next one is modulo division. Before doing this, I want to uh, enter two numbers. Okay, and that let it be. Enter number num1. Enter first number. Let make it. Enter second number. Num1, num2. I am storing those two variables. Okay. After that, it will ask 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for division. Let's do slash and everywhere. Now in the case, what I do? First one is addition. Num1, num2, num3. Let's take it as num3. Case 1 addition na num3 equals to num1 plus num2. Then addition equal to percent LD comma num3. Next thing is let's start this session with the switch statement. In this switch statement, we are doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and then at first we are entering that declaring these variables. This A is for switch variable, and num1, num2 will be the first number, second number, reading the data from input. Third number will be the something like addition, subtraction, something like this. All the way result will be storing into here. In this program, user will enter the first two numbers, and based on this choice, these choices, let's put the choices. First choice, if you user select first choice, it will go to addition. Second choice, case one, first case will be this addition will get will run execute. If user enter 2, second case will get execute like this. If user enter 3, This will execute 4, 5 like this. Mm, This is the switch case. In the switch case, I have added first case 1 addition, case 2 subtraction, case 3 multiplication, case 4 division, case 5 modulo division. This will give remainder, this will give quotient. And the user did not enter any of these. If user enter apart from 1 to 5 number, this default case will get executed. Okay, let's execute this one. Execute, compile and run. Please enter first number 9, second number 3. Okay, let's do 3. I am doing multiplication of these 3. 9 3s are 27. Execute, run. I am doing something like 5 6. I want to do modulo division 5. Remainder is 5. How come? Yeah, this is not working, I feel. 5 6 5. Oh, 5 percentile 6. That's why it is correct. It's correct only. Execute, run. Let's see 6 percentile 3. And then I want to check the modulo division 5 0. 3 3s are 6. The remainder is 0. Correct? 3 6 is divisible by 3. Yeah. If I enter apart from number apart from this, let's run this test. First number is 6. Second number is 7 something. Okay. Please enter between 1 to 5. I will enter 89. Invalid choice. Please enter between 1 to 5. That's it. If you enter the case, if you enter the number apart from 1 to 5, apart from these cases, the default case will get executed. Let's go to conditional operator. Conditional operator will be like this. It has something like question mark, colon. Normally how to do the, I want to check the first number, please enter. Enter first number, please enter second number. I want to check whether the which one is big. This is the condition. This is the condition. If the num1 greater than num2. If the condition is true, it will print first number is big. If the condition is false, this statement will get executed. Second number is big. That means question mark before will be the condition. After question mark before colon, it will be the true statement. This will be the false statement. Um, the same thing how to write in the inside if statement. Let's run this one. After that we'll write the if statement. Execute, compile and run. First of all save. Execute, compile and run. 45 and then 23. See, first number is big. First number is 45. That means first number is big always now. That means this condition is true. This statement executed. Let's do another. Okay, another test. Enter first number 45. Second number 78. Here 78 is the second number. Num1 greater than num2. No, it is false. Num2 is greater than num1. Now it should execute. This printf second number is big. You see, second number is big. Let's do the same thing in if statement. Let's comment it out. You can run inside a simple if else statement. If number one, okay, then you will do copy paste. printf, second statement is big. Execute, compile and run. Yeah, semicolon missed. Execute, compile and run. 56, 70, 89. Yeah, see, second number is big. Yeah, using if else you can try use like this. Using conditional operator you can use within a single. Okay, using conditional operator you can store the value. Suppose you can store result equals to result equals to then you can put something like this. Then biggest number equals to biggest number equals to percentage d comma result. Okay, in the result whatever the if this statement is true, num1 result equals to num1. If the statement is false, result equals to num2. The num2 value will go to result. Now let's see biggest number equal to percentage d. Let's do this. Execute, compile and run. Oh, result undeclared. Only res ult. This is a small error. This is result undeclared. I just do res. Now we need to put full form. Execute, compile and run. Enter first number 56, second number 78. Yeah, biggest number is 78. Now execute, compile and run. Enter first number 34, second number is 2. See, biggest is 34. Okay, with this today session has been completed. We'll continue with next session loops, loop control statements. Next